Oh, shit.
I'm telling you how to
Can he
drive.
have a
What the
Band-Aid,
fuck
please?
What are you doing?
Yeah, of course.
Wait, can I have a Band-Aid too?
Are you guys okay with these bulldozers?
Yeah.
We're just trying to clean up the city of the fucking corrupt police.
You're not doing a good job. Look, there's one right there in front of you.
Oh, oh, oh.
Where?
On the bridge. Sheriff, go get him. Go, go, go.
He didn't get his Band-Aid.
Get out of here.
Excuse me?
You're about to get your fucking tires shot out.
They're running us over.
Oh, don't run him over.
Sorry.
You're not kidding.
He's shooting. Oh my goodness. Back up. Run him over if he's gonna shoot at me.
Ah,
Keep it up high so he can't shoot you.
Fucking sucks at shooting. He sucks at shooting.
Go to alt then. Oh, we got a cop after us.
Yup. They got me.
If you hit an officer one more time, you will be shot. You will be shot if you hit another officer with that dangerous piece of equipment.
Still alive?
Yeah?
Alright, we're leaving.
Can't be hitting people in this, okay?
No, you're not leaving. You're going to step out of the bulldozer with your hands up.
What are you doing?
Get out here, the pigs are after us. Go, 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 go!
Nice pit maneuver. Nice.
He's ramming the shit out of me.
Thanks a lot.
I'm just
Fuck,
saying, nice
bro.
pit maneuver.
This. Oh,
Oh
fuck.
no! You need a little boost?
Oh, fuck.
I'm trying not to run you over. Are you good?
Yeah, he's ramming. He's getting me good. I'm good to Alta.
Don't you dare, lady. Back the
Oh,
fuck up.
I would never.
Don't you do it.
I think your tire's stuck.
make it to Ulta yet?
Trying.
Oh no. Let's go red garage. Red garage.
Get out of the car.
Kinda can't killed me.
One down.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Get him. And then let him into your car. I got this one.
But you know, I'm not trying to get in trouble.
I'll fucking kill the fuck out of you. Shut the fuck up.
You take the body, you're gonna get shot. I'm letting you know
Oh
that.
shit, I'm sorry, bro. I was just trying to finish the conversation, but I wasn't trying to get in trouble.
No, you're okay, brother.
Yeah, get out of here, rat.
Just make sure if they touch a body, they're getting.
You can't put them in your car though. They have to be on the ground.
Okay.
Alright, go do your thing, Miss Restitution.
How's your day going, officer?
How you doing? Damn, girl, you got a fat ass.
Hell yeah, I do. Hey, you bitches got some food drink up in
Stop
this bitch.
self-ejecting.
Fucking Norman left my ass again. Need some food drink.
Oh,
I'm going for cuffs.
Hello?
Damn, ain't no way.
I said you got some food drink up in here.
I do not know. I'm gonna get some.
me
I'm gonna
What a black woman gotta do? Get some food drink up in here.
You gotta save
shake
us.
that ass.
Yeah.
I'm starving. What do I look like, a working woman?
Alright, let's go.
How you doing?
Chris,
Here
meet
you
us at
go,
hospital.
here you go. I
Yes, please. Thank you. One to be on as well.
Hey, what happened to you guys' car?
Fucked up.
What happened?
What happened?
Oh, it's you guys again. Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck no. Well, this time you do have the... No. This time you do have
Hey,
the right
listen,
to remain
listen.
silent. No.
No, you have to do that when we're up. You have to do that when we're up,
Oh,
okay?
you... Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, you're
I
right.
can't hear anything.
We won't tell on you, though. It's okay.
What would you tell me about?
Hey,
You're-
pay
you're
attention
not-
to the road.
I am.
Probably need to go back to Academy Day 1.
What's that?
DLC.
Oh, fuck no.
DOC.
Fuck that.
Wait, is that Jose in the front? Jose?
Oh no. Is that
Antonio?
Celeste in the back? Oh my god. I laugh, I knew it. I saw a guy with no legs and a girl just wrecking havoc.
It's
Hey.
Jose.
I'm glad you guys stopped shooting though. 'cause
I'm not Jose.
we're still
I would
having
like
fun.
to say we did not
But-
shoot this time.
Yeah.
You did not shoot.
Not
Actually,
this
last
time.